Good morning. Myself Prabha working as a assistant professor in EC department at SNS College of Technology. In this lecture video, I am going to discuss about the topic is cascade form realization for IAR filter design from Unit 2, that is IAR filter design. Okay, let us discuss. In the cascade realization of an infinite impulse response filter, the filter is decomposed into a series of second order sections, also known as biquad filters. This composition simplifies the implementation and analysis of the filter and can offer improved numerical stability compared to other realization methods. Here, how the cascade realization works. First one is a decomposition into second order sections, that is biquads. The IAR filter is decomposed into multiple second order sections. Each second order sections, also called a biquad, consists of two poles and two zeros in the Z planes. Uh, and another one is cascade connection. The biquad filters are connected in series with the output of the one biquad feeding into the input of the next biquad. This creates cascade structure where the output of each biquad becomes the input of the next, effectively implementing the overall filter response. And advantages of this cascade form is numerical stability, that is cascade realization often result in better numerical stability compared to other realization methods, especially high order filter, simplified design and analysis. This is another advantages, that is decomposing the filter into second order section simplifies the design and analysis process. This cascade form is more flexibility than the other realization forms. That is, each biquad can be individually designed and optimized, allowing for greater flexibility in achieving the desired characteristics. And block diagram. The block diagram of the cascade realization consists of multiple biquad sections connected in series. Each biquad section implement a second order IAR filter. Here, simplified block diagram of the cascade realization. Okay. In this diagram, x of n is the input signal, y of n is the output signal, and biquad section represent a second order IR filter stage. The output of one biquad section is fed as the input to the next biquad section. The cascade biquad section collectively implement the overall filter response. The cascade realization is widely used in digital signal processing due to its simplicity, numerical stability, and flexibility. It's particularly advantageous for implementing high order IR filter efficiently. Okay, this is the example of cascade form. That is h of z equal to 1 plus 2 z inverse plus z power minus 2 divided by 1 minus 0.75 z inverse plus 0.125 z power minus 2. The second order equation have to convert the first order equation, that is 1 plus z inverse into 1 plus z inverse divided by 1 minus 0.5 z per inverse into 1 minus 0.25 z inverse, which is equal to the h of z. Apply partial fraction. By using partial fraction we can get individual h1 of z and h2 of z. That is h of z equal to h1 of z plus h2 of z. Apply direct form to that h1 of z and both h2 of z, and finally we connect each transfer function in series in manner. We will get the cascade form realization. See, you can see the diagram. First one is h1 of z and another one is h2 of z. Total transfer function is h of z. That means h of z equal to h1 of z and h2 of z. Direct from two realization apply to that h1 of z, both h1 of z and h2 of z, and finally we connect two h1 of z and h2 of z in series in manner, and we will get the cascade form. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can ask me through comment. We will meet in next video. Thank you.